How you doing today, guys? EK Trader, Informed Trades Pro. Just wanted to put this video together for you to kind of show you what I was looking at and how I try to use what I believe the professionals are doing to help my trading. What I have up is a 1 hour chart of the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Past few days, past week or so, the market's been real choppy. It's been giving you a lot of fake moves, and especially if you're trading the smaller time frames, it definitely makes it even more difficult. I for one have struggled the past 2 weeks just trying to navigate through this stuff. It's been challenging, it's been difficult, but just to show you what I'm into now, I entered a limit order here at around what price was it? 11.25. Okay, or excuse me, at 11.70.25. This line I drew here kind of represents the first major resistance line. Okay, as you can see, the market's kind of been going up to that line and then selling off. Most of the time it's kind of been selling off on lower volume. Okay, here we have a rise here on lower volume, so I kind of knew it wasn't going to penetrate there. But the main catalyst that I really liked was this. Okay, I have ultra high volume here, and the market actually closed towards the highs. So even though that was towards the end of the day, that finally put me in more of a bullish mode. Since the market's been whipsawing a lot, I didn't want to take a trade too early, plus because of the time of day that it was. Let me zoom out a little bit just so you can see how high this volume is. Okay, if you'll notice, this is like the highest volume since last week Thursday. And even Thursday on this high volume here, as you can see, it went down, but the market didn't move down much further after that. So that kind of shows that some of this selling was starting to get absorbed right around this area on this high volume. So as we fast forward back again today, I saw the market approaching this particular pivot point here, okay, which as you can see, just it's near this little resistance zone here. Okay, as I zoomed in a little closer, as it was reaching this point, I saw the volume deteriorating. Even though it was going down, the volume was deteriorating. So that kind of let me know that at least temporarily the selling had subsided, and it might be a good opportunity to take a trade. Also, if I look to the left of my chart, I see there's a resistance point here where the market went up and turned sharply and went lower. So I feel like this is probably going to be an area of struggle right here. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's going to be an area of struggle, but I'm thinking that since today looks very bullish, okay, it's 8:42 a.m. The Dow is up 70 points, the S&P is up 7.5 points. So I'm kind of thinking today is going to be a bullish day. So my goal is for it to reach here. I'll probably have to sit through a little pain here. I'll move up my stop just in case, but I think the goal is going to be this second pivot level here at 11.75. So anyway, that's it. Just kind of wanted to show you what I was looking at. Let's see what else here. As you can see, also once it passed this level, it's creating a new base here. Now let me tell you guys something else that I've learned about breakouts. One of the main reasons why I like to wait for a pullback after a breakout is because on initial breakout, now don't get me wrong, if it's a creek jump where the market breaks out and then like shoots up 7 or 8 points and then kind of ranges up here, that's kind of a different breakout. Okay, it's you can't really anticipate those. It just kind of happens, and if you happen to be in the play at the time, then great, you make a lot of money. But a lot of times, if you're not already in the play and you're waiting for confirmation, you're gonna miss it. Um, so I normally just kind of let it does what it's gonna do. Here, demand overwhelmed supply. Okay, it pulled back. Now, during this area right here, a lot of the retail sellers and odd lot people, you know, they absorb. Usually, they absorb whatever supply is left. Okay, people are making a few bucks and people are getting stopped out, and a lot of stuff is happening here. So usually, by the time the market pulls back, um, it gives you a clear opportunity to make money a lot quicker, as you can see is happening here. So that's usually the reason why the pullback, and also the test during, after a period of distribution, and you decide to step in. That's usually why the test and the pullback will usually make you money faster. Okay, so just a little tidbit there. Anyway, that's it. Just kind of want to share that with you. I'm gonna let you guys go so I can manage this trade. EK Trader, Informed Trades Pro. Thanks for watching.